Is there a shortcut to losing weight? Yes, and it's called fat-burning foods. Certain foods can help your body burn more calories and melt the fat away. So, here are the 10 best fat-burning foods for weight loss. 1. Cinnamon. Just half a teaspoon of cinnamon added to coffee or lunch lowers the levels of blood sugar, reduces insulin secretion, and helps your body burn fat instead of storing it. Additionally, cinnamon is a natural sweetener, and by using it to replace sugar you can reduce your daily caloric intake. 2. Eggs. A recent study by the University of Louisiana showed that women who ate a breakfast that consisted of eggs, toast, and jelly lost twice as much weight as those who ate the same amount of calories without the eggs. The protein contained in an egg can keep you full for many hours, so hunger is significantly reduced. 3. Turmeric. This is an essential ingredient in Indian cuisine that is rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that protects the liver from the harmful effects of free radicals and helps the body to burn fat. 4. Cayenne pepper. This hot spice reduces the risk of excess insulin in the body, speeds up metabolism, and lowers blood glucose. 5. Vinegar. Vinegar contains no calories, while a recent survey shows that the addition of apple cider vinegar at every meal increases the feeling of satiety and stabilizes blood sugar levels. 6. Lentils. Lentils have a lot of protein and iron, two ingredients that can stabilize glucose levels in your blood and prevent the secretion of insulin, which causes the storage of fat in the body and especially in the abdomen. 7. Garlic. It dissolves fat and cholesterol, kills bacteria, and protects against cardiovascular disease. What is more, do meals that include garlic reduces the appetite. According to a study, obese people who included garlic in their diet lost an average of 18 pounds compared to others who just lost 2 pounds. Also, the powerful flavor of garlic makes the food tastier and increases satiety. 8. Coffee. It has the power to speed up your metabolism. The caffeine contains increases the rate of your metabolism by 15%, which means that you burn 30 to 50 extra calories every day without changing anything else. 9. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is an excellent source of vitamin C. Just half a cup of cauliflower provides 36% of your daily needs for vitamin C. Additionally, this vegetable fights cancer and has very few calories. 10. Tomatoes. Every time you eat a tomato, your body releases the hormone cholecystokinin, which stretches the valve between the stomach and intestine. This leads to increased satiety and helps you reduce your daily calorie intake. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel DocOnline to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.